Okay, so there's a problem with this, which I'm just discovering now. It's not pleasant, but this is our speed control device for the cutting head. And then we have an intermediate post which goes on here, and it's driven by this pin acting in this slot. How this works is when it's spinning, the counterweights expand inside the casing, which is this. This would be spring loaded, so there's a tiny little spring, but it's not that small. The spring goes on here. We have a slot here, sits onto the metal post, and it's driven then by this, which drives that piece, which in turn sits down into this pivot hole down here, carries that pivot, and these shoulders here drive that tab, and that spring creates tension on the cutting head so that it's pushed up against the guard. You're relying on a friction fit at this point, this pivot hole, onto our shaft here, which is driven by the motor. You can see how this edge is not straight. If I turn that around, there you go. It's really visible now when you know what to look for. So it's gonna need, what I'm thinking is a plate fitted here with two folded sides, which made from steel, like spring steel or something, which go down into that slot. So that should bring that back to a straightened edge along here, reinforce this, and have an opening in the plate, so that's going to make a friction tight fit onto our post.